shapes. These four-sided shapes that I'm going to give you, I'm just going to be honest, preparing for the exam, you're not going to do this in real life. The tip is split them into two triangles. Okay, so write it down. Why would I split this into two triangles? We're going to use the congruency test to prove the quadrilateral thing. The second step, I'm going to use one of the congruency tests. So I'm going to try and make equal opposite angles. I'm going to try and prove that A equals C. So how do I prove that A equals C? If I find the sides are the same, the triangles are the same, therefore the angles are the same. So which sides are the same? Write it down. AB equals CD. We don't know the size, so we just write the word given. It just means the diagram shows it, basically. It's a weird way of saying the diagram shows. That's what given means. Side AD equals side CB. Very good. Copy it down. Again, it's given. What about BD? The BD is what we call shared. So they're the same side. They both have BD as a side. So this is called the SSS rule. So what's the fourth line? Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB using the snake. Okay, we've proved that those two triangles are congruent. So what does that show? Therefore, the angles are the same, so therefore angle A is equal to angle C. So I'll go through the steps again. Split the four-sided shape into two triangles so we can use the congruency test. Use the congruency test to show they're congruent, then show whatever the question's asking, equal angles, equal sides, whatever it is. Okay?